In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram without recovery code. So basically you want to click on add account and then log into the existing account, or just open the Instagram app if you're opening it for the first time. Then you would want to click on forgot password, and then if you don't know your username on phone, just click in can't reset your password, and then we just need to follow these on-screen instructions. If this doesn't help out, just type in your username or email, then send that email to yourself and just follow on-screen instructions, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.